Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today I have a special package. This is the ThreeZero Shin Mask Rider number 2, which came quite early. It was supposed to be released in December, but a little bit delayed. But anyway, better late than never. Just before Chinese New Year as well. That's pretty good. So you got the picture of the figure, the logo, pretty much similar. The box again is pretty small and quite narrow. Not as big as the typical Hot Toys box. Then you got a seal of authenticity from ThreeZero, or quality, whatever you want to call it. Alright, so let's go ahead and open the figure. Okay, I got it out of the box. So this is the instruction manual or booklet on how to install the battery, because it does come with light up eyes similar to Mask Rider number 1. Okay, oh, the figure looks great. One-handed operation is not easy. Anyway, so we've got a lot of plastic covering. Right there. Whew, look at that. Looks great. First things first, you can see the inspiration of Mask Rider number 2. This is the, if you follow the old Tokusatsu series, this is the new Mask Rider head, which got the racing stripe in the middle. And yeah, it's very, very nice. Of course, you would expect red gloves and things like that, but it's a mixture and homage of different things from the past. And let's bring this guy out. So, got plastic covering on his head as well. Oh, look at that. Look at that, guys. Again, he feels very substantial. If you check out my previous video, my comparison video between the ThreeZero Mask Rider number 1 and Medicom Toys version, Real Action Heroes, yeah, you can feel that this toy is a lot more substantial. The joints, you definitely don't have to worry about it in terms of the quality. But then again, it's probably just the fear factor when it comes to Medicom Toys. As you can see here, it feels really, not really weighty, but it feels weighty definitely as compared to the Medicom one. Alright, standard gloves. Just put it aside, let's see. So you have the special thumbs up hand, both sides as well, right? Which is pretty cool. And I think there's a handshake thing as well. So you could share parts with Mask Rider number 1, I believe. Right? What's this? This is a chopping karate hand. And you of course got the extra molded boots, because the one that comes with it is the one that comes with the ankle joints, which is very, very important for posability. Again, the material on the pants, you can tell it's definitely going to last quite a bit. Okay, and here you can feel that it's a tapered kind of material, also quite robust. And similarly, you have the posable scarf. All right, back of the head, pretty much great stuff. Not sure why it's not zooming in, but not focusing, but yeah. Okay. The eyes look vibrant red, very, very nice. And unlike the Medicom one where it's just a pinhole, this one you just attach the, it's a larger piece, so it's easier to attach. Alright, yeah, so this is the first quick look on the Mask Rider number 2. Yep, I'll probably do a detailed review soon. And if the stupid neighbor doesn't do his vacuuming at the same time as the unboxing. But yeah, this is it. Definitely a must get if you're a fan of Mask Rider. Since you have Mask Rider number 1, might as well get number 2 as well. You need to have a pair, right? So yeah, All right, catch you guys later. Bye. Okay, just a little bit of thoughts on the Masked Rider number 2 figure. Yeah, I think it's a great figure. Definitely feels and looks slightly taller than Rider number 1, which is supposed to be the case. His legs is definitely, there's an extension in the legs because you can see that proportion wise. I think his legs is a little bit long as compared to the upper body. They do come with spare antennas like the first one, and yeah, it also comes with the jacket, the coat, or whatever you want to call it. I will not be opening that because pretty much similar. And yeah, I think it's a really nice figure. The quality, at least the feel of the leather suit is really nice. Okay, if compared to the Medicom toys, the chest armor there's a bit of air inside, so you can press it. Whereas this one, the ThreeZero riders are solid because I think that the body itself is the muscular body inside, so it's pretty nice. And the lower jaw is adjustable, where you can just lift up the chin and things like that. Pretty similar. And with the eyes, I think the compound eyes look great. The red's really striking, so if you put in the LEDs, and of course LED, the batteries itself are not included. You have to buy your own. All right, it's also watch batteries. Can't remember the model, but yeah, so definitely a very nice piece to add to your collection. And I believe Medicom Toys will be releasing their Rider number 2 as well as the 1 and 2 combination rider. Yeah, if you see the movie, then you know there's actually 3-4 riders involved. So yeah, this is number 2, and he looks great. Pants wise, there's a bit of room there. Definitely not too tight. And yeah, no concerns of flaking and things like that, at least for the near future. So yep, let's hope I can get to do a comparison with 1, 2 from ThreeZero and 1 and 2 from Medicom Toys when it's released. Alright, hope you guys enjoy the video. Follow me on IG at LKHOE23, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.